Hey everybody, Adam Savage here, and I know I am not in my cave. That is because I am on a vacation of sorts that I'm taking some time out of to answer some questions from you guys. And here is the first question. Jack builds, or here is the question I'm answering in this video. I'm answering one. Here we go. Jack builds asks, I was wondering how you find garage kits. He says he found some like the Cosmonaut. That's a one-day build we did a while back on Tested. Do I have sites that I prefer? And he says, thank you for being a maker inspiration. Well, you're welcome, Jack Builds. I appreciate that. I'm very lucky. On one level, a lot of garage kits find me. People who know the kinds of things that I'm interested in often send me stuff that people are making. And that's everybody from close friends, colleagues like Sean Charlesworth, friends like Tom Sachs, and also people in my Twitter feed, and people send stuff to Tested all the time, send links to things they think I would like to build. So a lot of that stuff comes to me, and that's a benefit of this position, which is really great. But when I'm interested in a specific kind of kit or a kind of kit experience, the internet is an amazing sort of free association machine. And I love using it in that capacity, which is an inexact search capacity, and yet it allows me to search for things I'm not even sure that I'm looking for, which is the key here, right? I don't just want to go find a garage kit of a specific thing necessarily. I want to know about the garage kit that I might never find out about. So I will do image searches. That's one of my main ones. But I'll also do image searches on more than one search engine because I want to see what other algorithms have archived that I might be missing just by using Google. So I'm certainly not above using Bing, and I've used DuckDuckGo. I don't love the interface with Pinterest, so I often do a Boolean search and remove it from the search terms because I find clicking through all the endless click-throughs on Pinterest to be super annoying. Despite the fact that it can be a great compendium of reference for me, it's hard to go find the origins of that reference, and that makes me cranky. So I will also use multiple search terms. Again, I'm often, like I said, my way of looking for garage kits is I'm looking for specific kinds of experiences. So if I'm on a 2001 kick, I was recently working on the helmet from my Clavius-based costume, and that just got me interested in other kits that people had done of HAL, the HAL 9000 panel. And then I was curious if anyone had done kits of the Ares 1 or of the space plane. So I started searching for things like 2001 garage kits. And I'll do that search as an image search, but I'll also look on DeviantArt. I'll also look on eBay. I'll also look on Etsy. And eBay and Etsy are awesome because they give you two very different worlds to search through. And again, this is like, what I'm looking for is not necessarily just an exact specific kit, although I certainly go looking for that. It is looking for a specific, an experience. For instance, the Cosmonaut kit. That kit betrays an attention to detail that is really almost intoxicating to me as a maker. So those guys, it's like when I go do an image search for their stuff, other ancillary stuff might show up in that image search, stuff that was like that because of sites that are linking to both the Cosmonaut kit maker's site and other stuff like that. It's like I'm using the internet in the same way that Netflix was promising to show you what other people liked. I have to say, on that front, the Netflix algorithm has never understood me. It doesn't seem to have any clear understanding of the kind of movies that I love, and I wish it would stop recommending things that I've seen and hate based on things that I'm watching and love. But that's just a small complaint. If you guys have tips about search terms for finding things you didn't know you needed or finding things that you didn't know you were looking for, I would love to hear those hints because searching for stuff on the internet it's a dark art. It is non-straightforward, and I feel like I have to approach it in a kind of a non-linear or even orthogonal way, like I'm coming at right angles to the thing I want. I hope that was some semblance of an answer. I know I kind of went all over the place, but I hope that helps. Thanks very much for that question, and I'll see you guys next time.